Good morning, friends. Today, Arts Lab and Recycling Chanel present awesome DIY and easy recycling ideas. It's cement candle. Let's go. Creating a DIY cement candle is a straightforward and rewarding project. To make your own, start by gathering the materials. Cement mix, a mold, silicone molds work well, a candle wick, and a stirring tool. Mix the cement according to the instructions, ensuring a smooth consistency. Place the candle wick in the center of the mold, securing it in place. Carefully pour the cement into the mold, covering the wick. Allow the cement to set and dry completely. Once cured, remove the candle from the mold. After preparing the mold from empty silicone bottles, let's mixing white cement with water and blue colors. After preparing the mold from empty silicone bottles, let's mixing wax white cement. Add some parfum to make relaxing candle lighting. After the wax dries, we open the mold. See the result. It is a wonderful scented candle in different colors.